How to change your debit card spending limit. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can change your spending limit for your debit card. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, the very first thing, let's say that you have a limit by default set for your debit card. If you want to change the spending limit, then first just log into your Digibank mobile with your Touch ID, your Face ID, or your Digibank user ID and PIN. After you've done that, just tap on the login button. Once you log in, you will see this kind of interface and tap on the more button, which you see at the very bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the more button, you will see again this kind of interface. Now right over here, scroll down to the transfer settings tab and select the option called ATM debit card limit. So as you can see right over here, as you select ATM and debit card limit, right over here you can select whether you want to change your limit for your ATM card limit or your debit card limit. Once you've done that, select the option called debit card limit, and as you've done that, you'll see this kind of interface. Now select your card and indicate the limit you wish to update. So right over here, you can go ahead and simply select a Singaporean dollars limit such as 1000 SGD. You can set a limit to a custom one and just tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen. And as soon as you've done that, the final step is to simply review the details of the transaction and tap on change daily limit now to complete the request. And just like that, you'll be able to update your spending limit for your debit card on DBS Bank. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.